share with us their response to the current situation in our country, particularly the drought, and the areas of operations, as well as the future plans. And I hope we share with them what we have done so far and what we plan to do. So, before I get into the core of the program, I want to give you like an outline of what the program will look like. First, we're going to hear from Wutsai to say a few welcome remarks. Then we're going to hear from Sadia Ali, who will, even though she has not lost a loved one to the drought in Somalia, she imagines what it's like to lose a close family member to a drought, and what all of us feel about. Then we move on, and we hear from Abdullah Yusuf. He's the head of the Somali State Association of Ohio. And Abdullah Yusuf will share with us what the Somali Ohioans have done so far in response to the drought, and what we plan to do, as well as explore possible cooperations with A.R.C. And we will hear from the representative from A.R.C. and then we will conclude with question and answer sessions, so everyone will have enough time to ask a question and get an answer. So,
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm very glad to be here today, and I welcome you all. I welcome our guests from Minnesota A.R.C. organization. As we know, my dear brothers and sisters, the situation in Somalia is very dire and very, very complicated. And what we need to do is just get together and know more about how we can help. And as we know, this is as we hear from the news, this is the hardest one in 60 years. This is the hardest drought hit in Somalia or in Horn of Africa at large in the last 60 years. And that's really what caused us to get our intention up, inshallah ta'ala, and do whatever we can to maybe elevate or maybe minimize the hardship that the children and women and elderly people are getting from this situation. One of the facts that I hear nowadays was that I hear that about maybe 29,000 children only for the last 3 months only have died. So that's really tells you how the situation is very hard, how the issue is very complicated, and how need is very important to be offered to those people who are suffering now in back from Somalia. The good news that we now hear today was that Shabab left from Mogadishu, and that really may boost a little bit more about the help and the offer that the relief organization are offering to Somalis in Mogadishu. Those who are coming to Mogadishu now are getting help, as we hope. As soon as Shabab now is getting out from Mogadishu, that's really good news that we can try to use it in a way that's very, very forward, inshallah. And finally, I just want to welcome you all to be here and coming together tells you also that we are caring about the people. We are trying to do something for these people who are suffering in this kind of situation in the drought in Somalia, and we can come together and discuss how we can help and also try a way out of minimizing and as much as we can to reduce the suffering of the elderly people, children and women in Somalia. Finally, I welcome you all, and we will try to learn more about what is going on in Somalia and get more information about this organization that's doing a well job in Somalia, as I know. But they need our help. They need our help so that we can do whatever we can in the diaspora community in Somalia, wherever we are in Columbus, Ohio, in Minneapolis, in Europe, and everywhere in the diaspora. And I know that, mashallah, we will do a wonderful job. We are trying to use our resources that we have here in the diaspora to help our community back from Somalia. So I encourage you all to do your best and to do your part and be active and try to do something for those people to save them their life and the life of those children and women and elderly people who are suffering as we speak. Thank you very much for coming, and I thank you all for coming, and that shows your interest to do something for your country and the suffering people of Somalia. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Wu, for the remarks. President of the Somali Student Association of Ohio. He's also president of Ohio State University. Mr. Abdullah Yusuf will share with us our response to Somalis in Ohio to the current situation in Somalia. as well as what we plan we should be doing after or post-drought in Somalia. What I like.
Okay. Is it fine if I hear? I would rather sit. Okay. So noted. I am here to just give you a report of what we were doing through the process of helping out the people back home, or as well as in the refugee camps. After we heard about the droughts, we sort of came together and thought, let's help. It's now been over some 20, 30 years, so let's help. That's what we thought. So this is what we did over the process of helping out those people. First, we sort of classified what we're doing in two different categories. One as an emergency thing that's needed very quickly, as in of like right now, and one as a non-emergency. The emergency part we thought was, let's do it now, and then whatever we got, send it right back now, like immediately, within a very small time frame. The activities we did through that process included, we went on and knocked doors in the neighborhood. It didn't really matter if they were Somalis or not. It took us about 3 weeks to sort of go through every homeless neighborhood that we know, knock doors, ask them for help, ask them to donate anything that they can. The amount didn't matter. Also, we sell a lot of stuff, including water, snacks. Some of us try to sell some toys, and that was the second process that we did. After we did that, we went on and went to the businesses, asked them for donations to donate anything that they can. Some of them we gave them a certain amount, and some of them we did not. That took us about a week. After we did that, we went on and worked with other groups that were also collecting some contributions, and that is baby foods, protein stuff. We were not doing that as a group, but we were helping other groups that were doing that. That was the emergency phase of the stuff that we were doing. After we did that, we went on and sit down and try to work out every single group or individuals that were working toward helping the droughts. We went on to sit down with them and try to create some sort of collaboration between them and us with them. That was the first phase we did. That was the emergency thing, and we said after we did that, the second phase, that was the non-emergency. The non-emergency part, which is now, we're thinking and planning on organizing fundraising events that includes but not limited to car washing, events, which is fundraising dinners and stuff. That also includes iftars. We're working with other groups as of now. We're working with student groups from other colleges. We're working with youth groups to help us organize those sort of events. Also, we're setting up and working with other individuals who really know the system very well. A system where we ask people to pay donations directly to us. That's not going to them and asking them by cash. That is we will create a system where we will get some amount from their paychecks or credit cards or bank cards or anything like that. So we're working with banks and people who know how to set up the system very well. We have a set of individuals who are working in providing proposals to corporations. That's any corporation. I'm talking about Walmart's, Kroger's, any companies that we think that would help. Also, we're targeting parks, colleges, universities, high schools, anything that any organization that we think can help. So there's a group that is also working with the proposal to send to those groups. We have another group that's still on the emergency program phase. There's also another group that is working on creating some sort of coordination between the groups that are collecting or working with helping all of this. First, the emergency part was just to create some sort of collaboration. Hey, I'm doing this. I'm working toward this goal. I'm trying to help this area. What are you doing? I'm doing differently. I'm doing this to try to help this area. We're taking a little bit of different step now and saying, let's coordinate, let's work together as much as we can, since a united effort will help a lot of people. That is the 90 minutes part. Our second plan is we're not only thinking, okay, let's just help people, send money, send everything that we can, and that's about it. We're not doing this as a charity-wise. We also put some sort of future plan together. That is, we divided that future plan into two categories, which is the short-term and long-term. The short-term plan is to create some sort of to help those people who are in need in Somalia firm. If that is giving them some sort of seats, if that is giving them trainings to do so, if that is helping them or sending money specifically to the farmland. We're also helping them to create the second phase, our future plan with the short term, to work with the hospitals. When you give someone food or you give someone protein, the next thing that they need is a medical help. So we will work with the medical organizations to get some sort of medical help as fast as we can. Also, we're working with creating some sort of wells, and that's A.R.C, to set up or work with groups that are digging down wells there, so they have some sort of access to water, which is the most critical part at this moment, I think. After doing that, as in a future plan in the short-term category, we'll work with the long-term, which is that when a problem happens, and instead of just rushing to aid or solving the surface of the problem, you have to understand the source of the problem, try to work with that, and then prevent it from happening again. In other words, we will work as much as we can, and we're fully committed in getting to the source of the problem. What caused this? What can we do for it to not happen again? That sort of thing. And if that is even getting in politics and working with everyone, doesn't really matter, Somalis or non-Somalis, everyone, to get to the core of the problem and then try to find a solution. That is the goal for the long term. Any questions, comments, concerns? Okay. Yes, sir. Yeah, go ahead.
You said now,
Go ahead.
you never mentioned about how much you collected, and also how do you deliver your donations to Somali people in need?
Okay. The amount part is that as a group we've set up some sort of a code, a discipline, where we said, okay, we're in the process still, we're asking people to donate. As in a group, we know what we collected. We update each other every minute that we come to, okay guys, we have this certain amount that we collected and we need to get to this goal. So as in a group, we have that info, and every group that were working with us, we told them and updated about how much we have, but we did not yet sort of confirmed or gave that sort of information public. But we've talked about it before. How can we deliver the system? We are still working on getting organizations. If that is A.R.C, we're also working with Brother Muhammad Dini, as if you can collaborate with us. If there's an organization that will deliver it to the people, reliable, accountable, that we can hold them accountable of whatever happens, we'll work with them. So we still do not pick a group yet. We have a lot of options in the list, but we didn't pick up a group yet. So that's why A.R.C is here today, I think.
Okay. I hope a statement that Abdullah said becomes true of this meeting tonight. He said, like a united effort